Hello friends. Today I will share with you Top 5 Best Wall Detector Scanners for Accurate Stud and Wire Detection in 2024. So let's check it out.
Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5.
5-in-1 Professional Wall Stud Detector. This professional wall stud detector is an electric finder that detects wall wires, cables, and metal objects. With advanced scanning modes, it provides accurate results for locating wood studs and metal in walls. The device enhances safety by detecting live AC wires, making it ideal for home improvement projects and professional use. The advantages of this wall detector are multifunctional with various scanning modes. Detects both live AC wires and metal objects. The disadvantages of this wall scanner are heavier than some other models.
Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4.
UNI-T Wall Scanner, UT387 series. The UNI-T Wall Scanner is a 4-in-1 metal detector and wood stud finder with AC voltage and live cable detection. It tracks depth, allowing users to detect hidden objects and avoid hazards during wall drilling. The series offers models U2E, UT387S, and UT387LM, each tailored to different needs with advanced features. The advantages are multiple models to suit different requirements, reliable detection of live cables, metal, and studs. The disadvantages are complex settings for beginners.
At number 3.
R&D New Studfinder Wall Scanner. The R&D New Studfinder Wall Scanner provides accurate detection of studs, cables, wires, and metals. It features a backlit display for easy reading in low light conditions. With a versatile detection range, it helps prevent accidental drilling into live wires, making it an ideal choice for deep-prod use. The advantages of this wall detector are backlit display for visibility in low light areas, comprehensive detection capabilities for various materials, lightweight and easy to carry. The disadvantages of this wall scanner are limited battery life due to backlit feature, might require multiple scans for
Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. HANMATEK SF2 Stud Finder Wall Detector. The HANMATEK SF2 Stud Finder is designed for detecting wood studs, metal, and live cables in walls. It offers precise metal depth measurement and detection of electrical wires, making it suitable for both professional and home use. Its user-friendly interface and ergonomic design provide comfort and efficiency in locating hidden elements within walls. The advantages of this wall detector are accurate detection of wood studs, metal, and live cables. Ergonomic design for comfortable handling. The disadvantages of this wall scanner are may require calibration before each use. At number 1.
FNIRSI WD-02 Wall Detector Stud Finder. The FNIRSI wall detector features a new design with a positioning hole and TFT display, allowing easy detection of AC live cables, wires, metal, and wood studs. Its compact design and advanced technology offer precise measurements for DIY and professional use, ensuring safety when drilling into walls. Ideal for construction workers, electricians, and home renovators, the advantages are accurate detection with TFT display, compact and easy-to-use design. The disadvantage are limited detection depth for certain materials.